Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. In the first step, right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. You can also open it from here. Just go to search bar and type your Task Manager and click here to open it. Now just select Google Chrome, right click on it and click on End Task. Once done, just close the window and go to search bar, type your CMD, right click on it and select Run as Administrator, select S. Now type your sfc space / scan now and hit enter. So this command will take a lot of time, around 10 to 15 minutes, depends upon your computer configuration. We need to complete the process up to the 100%, but we will run this in the background and we will complete the remaining methods. So simply we need to open File Explorer, then go to this PC, open C drive, then open Program Files, open Google folder, open Chrome folder, then open Application folder. Here you will get the Chrome application, so right click on it, select Show More option and rename it. You can also add 1 at the end, hit enter, then right click on it and send it to the desktop. It will create a shortcut. So once we're here, we need to rename it again and change it to simply Chrome. Okay, once done, right click on it, select Properties and go to Compatibility. Click on Run Compatibility Troubleshooter. You can also simply check this option, run this program in the compatibility mode for, and select the highest operating system. On my system it's showing Windows 8. In your system it can show Windows 10 or 11. Just select Windows 8 or highest one, then click on apply and then OK. Now press Windows key plus R key together to open Run. You can also open it from here. Just right click on the start icon and click on Run. Now type your %local app data % and hit enter. Once we're here, we need to simply open Google folder, then open Chrome folder, open user data folder, and simply take the backup of this folder, just copy it and paste it somewhere. After that, just select it and click on delete, and then complete the process up to the 100%. And once done, type exit and similarly restart your system and our problem will be solved for sure and 100%. You can also check out our description link to fix the issue quickly and effectively. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.